So hello guys, thanks for joining me again for another video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new Revolution concealers. Yes people, if you don't know, Revolution just came out with a new concealer like a few weeks ago. Fast base concealer, and this is how they look like. I really wanted to try this concealer because I have the foundation, the stick foundation. If you don't know, I've done a review of the stick foundation. This is the fast base stick foundation, and this foundation retail for £5 and the concealer also retail for £5. Talk about the packaging. This is how the fast base concealer packaging looks like, and it has a foam at the top, just like the Maybelline concealer. Then you twist it. Don't mind the way I swatch it on my hand. I'm very terrible in swatching products. I'm terrible, really terrible. C9, C11, C12, C13, C14 and C16 right here on the corner. C14, I don't understand why they are going with the color. The color looks a little bit gray. But C13, this is C12. I think they need in between shade. They might add more shade later, maybe C12.5, the way they did on the other concealer, that they added in between shade later. This concealer right here, they are conceal and define concealer. They added C.12 later. And the concealer retail for £5, like I said. First of all, I'm going to start by priming my face. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect primer. I actually like the way this primer feels on my face. Not dry me out. I'll just blend this on my face. Just pat that in. I'm going to color correct. I'll use the Revolution color correcting concealer. Oh my god, I got the wrong shade. I took the wrong shade. Well, oh my god, this is the wrong shade. I'm supposed to take orange, but I took peach. Color correct anything. This is my first time of using the shade. This just make my face white. It didn't even color correct anything. I'm going to take the Fast Base Stick Foundation in C12. Sorry, in C13. So I'm going to apply this. Oh god, this foundation could have been really nice if the shade was right. You see, it's really light. The Conceal and Define Concealer in C13 help the foundation. Give me a little bit of color to my face. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the... Apply it to my neck because of the shade. Take the Fast Base concealer. C12 and C13. A little bit of this will go a long way. This is C12. Oh my god, that is really light. I can't use this on its own. Blend C13 in between. Wow, can you see that coverage though? Like, the coverage is sick and it blends so nice. It's not like full coverage, like medium buildable coverage. I just like the way it's so lightweight. It feels so lightweight. That is my feel-good dance. That coverage is beautiful. Like, the concealer blends really nice. So if you don't like the thickness of this concealer, this one is £4 though. If you don't like the thickness of this, you are going to love the formula of this. This is really lightweight and blend like a dream. C16. Just blend using this brush. Oh, my face looks beautiful. The sponge, the part I use in applying the foundation, I'll just use this to quickly blend. Quickly set this using the Too Faced Peach powder. Next thing I'm going to move on to is my brows. I just decided to do my complete face in this clip, so I'm using the Benefit brow pencil. Then I'll use the concealer to prime my lid. Then I'll set the concealer with the loose powder. Guys, for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Tammy S Revolution palette. I've done the review of this palette. Tammy is a YouTuber, so I've done the review of this palette, this beautiful palette she created with Revolution. I'll link it somewhere up here on the video, on top of the video, okay? This and this. Hold tight, dripping lights, paint the sky. Yeah, take the shade. Because of you, dripping lights, paint the sky. This shade. I didn't even wet the brush. Just using that to cut the crease, like do an halo eyes with that. Then blend it into the orange. So I'm using the Revolution eyeliner. So for my waterline, I'm going to take this liner by Rimmel. Just use the color that we use on the crease on the under eyes. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight. I'm just trying to look if everything is in order right now. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetic powder. It's a flawless base. Nice. Revolution. Nice. I'm going to use the Nip and Fab palette, contour palette. These two to contour, then I'll use this as a blush. This brush I'm using is by Technique. It's going to be out very soon. So to spray my face, I'm going to use the Revolution So to highlight my face, to make me glow, like shine bright, I'm going to use the Revolution highlighter. Knock on off my eyes. For mascara, I'm going to use Marc Jacobs mascara. Open eye.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
Okay guys, I've already done my lip. I used the new Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick on my lip. I was swatching the whole collection. Yes, if you want to see the new Huda Beauty Demi Matte right here lip swatches, I'm going to link it at the description bar for you guys to watch. Concealer is really lightweight and looks really nice. The 5-pound concealer, it looks really good. I like it. It's lightweight. I will use this concealer often, and it blends really smooth on the skin. Look at that. How cute is that? Let me know what you think at the comment section. For now, it looks good. Let me see how we wear out during the day. I set it normal way I will set all my makeup, so yeah, let's see how this is going to hold up. But let me just show you guys. What do you guys think? What do you think? Let me come close to you. So I'm going to come back during the day to give you my final update on this makeup and how the concealer is holding up during the day. Then we'll talk more about if this is a thumbs up or if this is a thumbs down, you know. So stay tuned. I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, I just got back from church and it's almost 5 minutes to 4 p.m. and I've been wearing this makeup since around 8, let's say 8:30 in the morning, up to 8 hours. Let's just say up to 8 hours, 7 hours plus. Okay, my face still look really nice. The Revolution Fix Base Concealer that we are reviewing, you can see I'm trying to squint a lot. It's not creasing that bad. It's not creasing, just a little bit on the side of my eyes. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I can just take my loose powder on the sponge and use that to dab. Look at my face though, like seriously, like I just applied the makeup. It's like I applied the makeup again. Concealer formula is nice, very lightweight on the face. It's like you do not apply anything. You can see it's just flawless. Please buy. This is good. Lightweight, not as thick as the Conceal and Define. This is also good. You can build up the coverage, or you can just let air go into it, let it thick a bit before blending, or you can just blend it out if you're just looking for that lightweight summer makeup. If you're in a country that is very hot, like now UK is hot, you just need this very lightweight on the skin, flawless, easy to blend. It's actually long wearing for the price, because my face still look good. This gets a yes from me. Yes, I recommend this to you, mostly if you're a beginner, but they need to work on the shade range, maybe add in between shade like they did for the last concealer. They might do that later, you know, all this brand, they might do that later, but for now, yeah, I'm not mad at it. Guess a yes from me. So guys, that is my final review of the concealer. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also leave all your comments or questions at the comment section. You know how we do. Let me know if you're interested in this concealer, if you buy it, if you already have it. Let me know at the comment section, and everything I use will be at the description bar as usual. Make sure to make use of the description bar. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always. And remain blessed. Bye guys. See you soon.